Can an Ecoboost actually sound good with an exhaust? Every owner knows the struggle. These trucks have plenty of power, but the sound, yeah, not so much. So today we're installing an exhaust on my 2014 Tremor, hoping to make it sound a little more aggressive and a lot more fun to drive.
Now it's not gonna magically turn it into a V8, but if it adds more growl and makes the drive more exciting, that's a win in our book. Stick around, you'll hear the before and after and decide if this Ecoboost, and maybe even yours, can actually sound good with a simple upgrade.
First startup, here we go. That sounds mean.
Oh my gosh!
You can actually hear it now. Not bad.
What do you think?
It sounds good. I'm glad you can actually hear it. It's not insanely loud though, but I think that's good. Not gonna wake the neighbors with this one, but when you're driving it, you're gonna hear it. So, can an Ecoboost actually sound good with an exhaust? After hearing my 2014 Tremor's transformation, I'd say definitely. It makes every drive way more engaging.
And the best part, it was a pretty simple swap right here in the garage. So what do you think? Did this convince you to upgrade your truck's exhaust? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Now, if you liked the way that this sounded, this exhaust was actually made by Borla for Ford Performance, specifically for the Tremor. However, if you want something similar, you might be able to find a similar sounding sound with one of their touring systems for your generation F-150. I'm guessing they're tuned pretty similar. And if you want your F-150 to look meaner and light up the road like it should, check out our install of our Morimoto headlights. It's one of the best upgrades we've done yet.
And we will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.